Hello fellow crafters, welcome back to Mountain Chic by Ruby. And for those of you that are new, thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope that you find this video helpful because it is a multi-purpose craft that we're going to be doing today. So if you find it useful, if you find it inspiring, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe when you see that bell so that you'll be notified when I send out another video. Also leave me comments. That's a good way for me to get to know you and for you to get to know me more. Also, make sure you share with a friend. All right. Now, today's craft involves this Christmas tree light cover. Okay. Also, Dollar Tree cutting boards. All right. So, stay tuned and let's get to crafting. You will need from the Dollar Tree 1 wire basket, 2 cutting boards, twine, popsicle sticks or tongue suppressors. From Walmart, if you want to, now you don't have to, you'll see at the end of the video, I did both so you could see. If you want to add a little bit more embellishments, then you can get some paint of your choice, stain for staining the tongue suppressors. I used E6000 and Gorilla Glue that I got at Walmart as well. All right, I just put the light bulb cover on a dowel or even the end of a paintbrush. That way I wasn't getting my fingers too dirty, but they still got dirty. And I ended up putting 2 coats of brown paint. For the dowel, I just used a stain and I just kept adding it until it kind of matched. All right, and then to add the light bulb cover, what I did was I just put some twine, I just wrapped it tightly around one end, and then I added the light bulb cover after it was painted, and then wrapped some more with some glue. And I did that on both sides. But the one side, I wrapped it a little looser so that I could pull it off. Okay, now it gets fun. All right, so since these cutting boards are already white, kind of a nice advantage when you're trying to do a chippy porcelain look, I just took a Sharpie and went around the edges and kind of made little marks as if it was chipping off. And then you will see at the end, well, actually you probably won't see it because I didn't videotape it, but at the end, what I did is I went back over it with some black paint just so that it lasted longer, but you don't have to because really the Sharpie did a very good job. All right, here is our little Dollar Tree basket. I just went ahead and cut all the way around, and it will be kind of curved, but all you have to do is kind of pull on it and stretch it. And then I just measured to the size that I wanted to put on the side of the cutting boards. And then I hot glued it down. To make Farmhouse meets Mountain Chic, I've got to add some twine. So I'm just going to hot glue it all the way around, covering the little rough edges of the basket. How mountain chic are these? These are adorable. You really could just hang these on the wall and it would be super cute. But I'm going to continue on here. So what I did is I didn't list this as far as the supplies. I already had the blocks that you get at the dollar store. But if you don't have those, pick those up at the dollar store. They always have tons of them. And now I'm going to build something for my little cutting boards to actually sit on so that I can kind of build around it to make a basket. Now that we have most of the foundation work, as you can see, it's turning into a really cute little basket. So I'm going to use the tongue suppressors and just keep on building. As you can see, I'm using the building blocks on the other side just to make sure that I'm building a level floor or bottom to this basket. And as you can see, I just continued building with the popsicle sticks to have my little walls on the side as well. And now I'm just going to add some more twine. I was feeling a little lazy, so I just grabbed some leftover coffee to stain my popsicle sticks. But later I found I wanted them a little darker, so I did actually use a stain at the very end. But this is a pretty color, and it just depends on what your decor is. All right, and voila, we are done. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures before I darken the popsicle sticks and painted the inside. And please leave me a comment below and let me know which one you like the best. Also, subscribe when you see the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up and definitely leave those comments. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining Mountain Chic by Ruby.